Hi my friends, how are you? It's me, Miss Manar. Today we will talk about animals with a new question. How are animals different from one another? First, let me ask you, what animals do you like? For me, I like dolphins and rabbits very much. What about you? There are many different animals all over the world. So let's talk about amazing animals. All animals can breathe and move, but they are different in many amazing ways. Here we look at how they are the same and how they are different. This helps us put them into groups, and we have 4 groups. The first group is the birds. All birds have 2 legs, 2 wings, and feathers, and most birds can fly. The wings and feathers help them fly, and the feathers help keep them warm. Birds lay eggs with hard shells. They keep the baby birds inside, safe from animals that want to eat them. The second group is fish. Fish have gills to help them breathe in water. Scales all over their bodies help keep them safe from dangerous fish that want to bite them. They don't have legs, but their fins and tails help them swim. Fish lay their eggs in water, and their eggs are soft. The third group is amphibians. Amphibians are very interesting because they can live on land and in water. Amphibians need to have wet skin, so they live in wet places. They lay their soft eggs in water. They have gills when they are young, and the gills help them breathe in water. Most amphibians, like frogs, have legs that help them walk and jump on land. The last group is mammals. Some mammals live on land and some live in water. Whales are water mammals, and cats, rabbits, and lions are land mammals. Hair or fur covers most land mammals' bodies, and this helps keep them warm. People are mammals too. Mammals don't lay eggs. Their babies drink milk from their mothers. Now the time for our question. We have the words gills, mammals, eggs, fur, amphibians, feathers, wings, scales, and skin. And the question is, read the sentence and write the correct word. Number 1. Birds have 2 of these. Orangutans don't have these. The answer is wings. And wings and feathers help the birds to fly. Number 2. Chickens lay these. Some people eat them in the morning. The answer is eggs. Very good. I like to eat eggs in the morning. Do you? Number 3. These are all over animals' body. And we have 4 species. We talk about all animals in the 4 groups. So, what covered the animal's body? First, the fish. The fish covered by scales. Very good. Scales cover the fish bodies to help keep them safe from dangerous fish that want to bite them or eat them. And what about the birds? The birds are covered by feathers. Very good. And the feathers help keep them warm. The amphibians. The amphibians have wet skin. Very good. So it's skin. And what about the mammals? Excellent. Hair or fur covers most land mammals' bodies. Very good. And this hair or fur helps keep them warm. Very good. Number 4. An elephant and an orangutan are part of this group. The answer is mammals. Very good, because the elephants don't lay eggs and their babies drink milk from their mothers. Number 5. Frogs are part of this group. What do you think? Which group the frogs are part of it? Amphibians. Very good. And amphibians can live on land and in water. The last question, number 6. Many animals that live in water have these to help them breathe. The answer is girls. Very good. That's it. Very good. Thank you, my dear friends, and see you soon. Bye.